Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to explore the latest trends in collar neck kurti designs with our comprehensive guide. Whether you're looking for elegant office wear or stylish casual outfits, this video showcases a variety of collar neck patterns from classic Mandarin collars to trendy Peter Pan styles. We will delve into the fabric choices, embellishment, and styling tips to help you rock these kurtis effortlessly. In this collection, we will explore the intricate embroidery to contemporary prints, various styles perfect for every occasion. Whether you're looking for a casual chic or formal elegance, we have got you covered with the tips on pairing them with different bottoms and accessories. So join us as we delve into the world of collar neck kurtis, showcasing how they can effortlessly enhance your wardrobe with their timeless appeal and versatility. So don't miss out on this fashion forward journey. I hope you like this beautiful collection. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.